This is our vortex gun. Our air vortex gun. Okay, Ben. Stand back.
Hey,
right there.
Put it down there.
And we're going to aim at the target. Okay, fire, Ben. Oh! Let's bring it over here. Let's see if we can get Vivian's hair to go up. Fire again, Ben. Vivi, look at the hole. Woo! Again. Woo!
What about trying to off that?
Okay.
Aiming target.
Oh, good job, Ben.
Where'd you go again?
There you go. Put up the target, Viv.
No.
Oh, that'd be trickier. Fire, Ben. You got to work on your aim.
That's not helpful.
Okay. Wait a moment. Let's aim it up. Right there. Now we're aimed. Okay, no, Vivi, don't put that on top. Oh, well, no wonder we can't knock it over. It's attached to the top. The vortex gun isn't that strong. There we go. Try again. Good job, Ben.
Just one.